The good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 1 from verse 18 to verse 25. Jesus born. This is how Jesus Christ the born. Him mother Mary did just engaged to marry Joseph. Then come live together yet like husband and wife. But them find say she did a baby in her belly. And at the Holy Spirit, they put the baby there. Now, Joseph, the man where she did engage to married, him did one good man we always do it right. He never want shame her in front of everybody. So he make up his mind to left her under the quiet. Just when Joseph did that thing to do that, watch you now, one of the Lord angel them not dream him. The angel say, Joseph, David pickney, not afraid to take Mary and marry her. Cause the pickney were in her belly and the Holy Spirit put him there. She go have one boy pickney and you have call him Jesus. Cause him was saving people them from their sin. Now, all of them sin happen to make what the Lord did tell the prophet to say come true. The prophet did say, listen up, the woman when they sleep with no man, I go get baby. And one boy she go have, and them go call him Emmanuel. That name they mean God there with we. Then, when Joseph wake up, him do just what the angel tell him to do. Him take Mary and go marry her. But him then go to bed with her till she have her pickney, one boy baby, and him name him Jesus. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.